Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Fora here from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 30th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see stocks sell off early, but in the last hour or so, mount a serious comeback to close in positive territory. Excuse me, the Dow was higher by 125 points by the end of the session. The S&P was higher by 10, while the NASDAQ managed to gain 23, and the Russell almost made it all back, finished lower by just 1 point. The bond market was fairly flat today, and the yield on the 10-year note finished at 1.588%. Crude was lower for the 7th out of the past 8 sessions. Today, again, down another 2%, while gold was up almost 14 points today, a nice healthy gain, and now sitting at a new 52-week high here. Now, the big news came after market close, another earnings announcement, and this time it was Amazon. And boy, oh boy, did they absolutely blow away estimates. They came in with an EPS number of $6.47 compared to an expected number of $4.03. So what a beat that was. The revenue was also substantially higher. And in the after hours trading session right now, the stock is higher by over $200 a share, or almost 11%. So look for that one tomorrow. To not just gap higher. But remember, it carries a lot of weight with the index, in the index. So look for this one to push things higher tomorrow morning. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.